Welcome, in front of me is an LG K41s, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from an SD card to the device and vice versa. So to get started, we'll need to open up the Files app, which is for me right here. Just tap on Continue, and at the bottom you'll see your two different storages. So let's tap on Internal, and let me quickly check. So my images that I will use as an example are right here. So photos, video, anything that you have captured with the device will be located under the DCIM. Then pictures will contain screenshots, and download folder will contain anything that you have downloaded either to your browser or emails. So it could be any kind of file in there. And then rest are usually placed there by user in the respective folder, so you probably know that something is in there. So find whatever it is that you want to move or copy, which, like I said, I'm going to use the photos right here, and you want to select them. So you select it by simply holding it, and then you can tap on additional ones to add them on. Now if you have an entire folder full of photos that you want to move, you can either select the entire folder itself, so like so, or you also have an option to select all in here when there's more options. But once it's selected, again, tap on the three dots and you will have the move or copy option. Choose whichever one suits you. I'm gonna go with move, and it pops you up with the option to move it to either internal or the SD card. Now if you choose the internal, that's where we are right now. It will just give you an entire structure of all the folders, and you can just change the location that it is at. But I'm gonna be moving it to a completely different storage, so the SD card, that's what I'm gonna choose. And as you can see, that's all there is on the SD card, so I can drop it anywhere on here. If I want to go into the DCIM, I will just navigate here and move it to here, or I can just drop it here. Wherever you are, it will drop into that location. So once you tap on it, now, as you'll see, if we go back here, you should have a camera folder with the images in here. And that is basically how you'd copy any kind of file. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.